A for amber, amber shines like morning sun. Golden glow for everyone.
B for blue, blue like oceans wide and deep. Waves that sing you off to sleep.
Cyan sky so bright and clear. Happy color, all your cheer.
D for dark green.
Dark green leaves on every tree. Nature's coat for you and me.
E for emerald.
Emerald bright, a shiny gem. Sparkling lights around the stem.
F for fuchsia.
Fuchsia pops like candy sweet. Pretty color, fun to meet.
G for gold. Gold is glowing warm and bright, shining softly through the night.
H for hot pink.
Hot pink jumps with dancing feet, color full of bubbly beat.
I for ivory.
Ivory soft like feathers white, peaceful shade of gentle light.
Jade for jade.
Jade like rivers, cool and green, calmest color ever seen.
K for khaki.
Khaki fields and sandy ground, ugly tones all around.
L for lavender.
Lavender smells dreamy sweet, purple clouds and bedtime treat.
M for maroon. Maroon like berries ripe to eat. Warm and cozy, deep and neat.
I'm for navy.
Navy night sky shining high. Stars come peeking from the sky.
O for orange. Orange bright like sunset glow, warm and happy, hello, hello.
P for peach.
Peach so soft and peachy sweet, summer days with fruity treat.
Q for quartz pink. Quartz pink shines crystal clear, soft and sparkly, always near.
R for red.
Red like roses, bold and bright, color full of glowing light.
S for silver.
Silver sparkle shimmers too, moonlight magic just for you.
T for turquoise. Turquoise waves that splash the shore, blue-green beauty evermore.
U for umber.
Umber brown like forest bark, ivory tone from light to dark.
V for violet.
Violet blooms in springtime air, purple petals everywhere.
Gab, U for white. White like clouds that gently float, soft and light like cotton coat.
X for xanthic.
Xanthic shines like mellow gold, happy color bright and bold.
I for yellow.
Yellow like the morning sun, truthful light for everyone.
Z for zinc gray.
Zinc gray clouds before the rain, soft and calm again and again.
Colors A to Z we sing, every shade is everything.
Bright and happy, bold and true, colors make the world brand new.
A is for antelope, antelope, running fast on grassy slope. C is for camel. C. Camel, walking proud on desert sand.
D is for dolphin. Dolphin, leaping high. Oh, isn't that grand?
E is for elephant. Elephant, big and kind with a swinging trunk.
F is for fox. Fox, quick and slide through woods and rocks.
G is for giraffe. Giraffe, neck so long it makes us laugh.
H is for horse. Horse, galloping fast with steady force.
I is for iguana. Iguana, green and cool in sunny drama.
J is for jaguar. Jaguar, spotted coat, a jungle star.
K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo, jumping high the whole day through.
L is for lion. Lion, king of the jungle, brave and strong.
M is for monkey.
Binky,
Swinging trees and singing song.
N is for newt. Newt, smile and shiny, cute and mute.
O is for owl. Owl, nighttime eyes and gentle howl.
P is for penguin. Penguin, sliding fast, it loves to swim.
Q is for quokka.
Quokka,
Smiling face so full of whim. R is for rabbit. Rabbit, hopping soft. Can you grab it?
S is for sheep. Us, sheep. Fluffy wool for us to keep.
T is for tiger. Tiger, roaring loud, a jungle fighter.
U is for urchin.
Urchin, spiky, round in ocean's curtain.
V is for vulture. Vulture, flying high in wide adventure.
W is for whale. Whale, singing deep in ocean trail.
X is for Ceres. Ceres, African squirrel, fast and curious.
Y is for yak. Yak, hair so long upon its back.
Z is for zebra. Zebra, black and white, a stripy wonder. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bird, flying overhead. C is for cat, cuddly and sweet. D is for drum, tap with a beat. A is for elephant, big and grand. L is for flower, bright in the land. G is for giraffe, tall and slow. H is for hat, wherever you go. I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for juice, ready to flow. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for leaf, falling from the sky. M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, cozy and tight. O is for ocean, deep and blue. P is for pencil, writing for you. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow, splashing all around. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for train, moving with might. U is for umbrella, keeping you dry. V is for violin, singing in the sky. W is for wheel, turning around. X is for sound, making fun sound. Y is for yarn, soft and light. Z is for zebra, striped black and white. Z, we learn today, singing letters all the way. Z, we learn today, singing letters all the way. Z, we learn today, singing letters all the way. Z, we learn today, singing letters all the way. A is for avalanche, snow slides fast down the hill, racing wide and icy chill. Mountains roar and skies turn gray, quickly move and stay away.
B is for blizzard, winds that blow and snow that bites. Blankets, fields in fluffy whites, whirling snowflakes in the air. Let's build snowmen everywhere.
C is for cyclone, spinning through with fearsome sound. Trees get tossed and things unbound. Windows rattle, roofs may fly. Stay indoors and stay dry.
D is for drought, the sky stays clear for far too long. The soil dries out, it feels all wrong. Rivers shrink and flowers fade, let's wish for rain to invade. E is for earthquake, rumble starts beneath our feet. Walls may wobble, not so sweet. Drop down low and cover tight. Wait until the ground feels right. F is for flood, the waters rise and overflow. Streets become a river show. Grab your boots and find high land. Water's coming, take a stand. G is for gust, strong wind bursts that push and shove. Kites fly off in hats above. Leaves go dancing in the street. Chilly wind you just can't beat. H is for hailstorm, ice balls fall like bouncy beans, tapping loudly on the screens. Tiny stones from clouds so cold, let's watch them from the window fold. I is for ice storm, shiny glaze on every tree. Slippery roads and frozen spree. It's beautiful but slick and sly. Walk with care or you might cry. Hey, J is for jet stream, wings up high that race and run. Changing weather, clouds and sun, sometimes calm and sometimes wild. Nature's twisty airborne child. K is for catarabatic, chilly winds from mountain slide, sneaking down the snowy side. They whistle by while people sleep, through the valleys, cold and deep. L is for landslide, the rocks and soil begin to slide down the hills so fast and wide. Better stay on safer ground when the earth makes such a sound. M is for monsoon, thunder booms and skies turn gray. Raindrops dance the whole long day, splash in puddles, skip and run. Monsoon rains are sticky fun. N is for northerner, storms that blow from icy lands. Snowflakes swirl in mighty bands. Bundle up and light the fire, winter's wind will never tire. O is for ocean surge, waves rise tall and crash the shore. Foamy floods that roar and pour, tides come in with strength so bold. Find a place that's safe and cold. D is for polar blast, Arctic air that bites your nose, turns the streams and lakes to froze. Frosty fingers, frozen toes, time to wrap up head to toes. Q is for quick storm, sudden bursts of rain and flash. Thunder roars and lightning splash, it comes and goes without a sign. Sky surprise in stormy time. R is for rockfall, mountain stones come tumbling down, bouncing fast without a frown. Nature's bowling game. S is for snowstorm, flakes so thick they block your sight. Everything turns calm and white. Sip some cocoa, wear a hat. Snowy days are just like that. T is for twister, tornado spinning like a top. Whirling fast, it doesn't stop. Flying leaves and swirling dust. Find a basement, that's a must. U is for undersea quake, shaking deep below the tide. Oceans rumble far and wide. Sometimes waves rise up so high, tsunami waves can touch the sky. V is for volcano, lava flows from mountains steep. Molten rivers start to creep. Ash and smoke rise to the air. Better move, don't stop and stare. W is for xenon, silent gas we cannot trace. Sometimes leaks in hidden place. Though it's rare, we must beware. Use detectors, show you care. Y is for yellow sandstorm, desert winds with dusty wave. Blinding sky so bold and brave. Cover eyes and shield your face. Sand is rushing, no time to waste. Z is for zero visibility, fog so thick the world looks gone. Can't see headlights, can't see dawn. Everything feels soft and still. Drive with care and keep your will.
A is for ant, ant. B is for ball. C is for cat, pick a cat. D is for drum, drum. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for ink, ink. J is for jam, jam. K is for kite, kite. L is for lamp, lamp. M is for mug. N is for nest, nest. O is for owl, owl. P is for pen, pen. Q is for quote. R is for ring. S is for socks, sock. T is for tap, tick tap. U is for earn. V is for van, the van. W is for web. X is for box, box. Y is for yarn. Z is for zip. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bird, flying overhead. C is for cat, cuddly and sweet. D is for drum, tap with a beat. E is for elephant, big and grand. L is for flower, bright in the land. G is for giraffe, tall and slow. H is for hat, wherever you go. I is for igloo made of snow. J is for juice, ready to flow. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for leaf, falling from the sky. M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, cozy and tight. O is for ocean, deep and blue. P is for pencil, writing for you. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow, splashing all around. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for train, moving with might.